come with me for my first ever backpacking trip. Now it's really raining. Just made it past 12,000 feet and I'm struggling.
Pretty good though.
Hail. It's been raining pretty much the whole time. I'm just so grateful. I wasn't planning on this being my first backpacking trip because it's not an easy hike. And as you can tell, I'm already out of breath, but it's just kind of how everything worked out. So we're here, we're doing it. I'm so excited. Also, a little bit nervous just because I'm not used to this elevation. I'm not used to carrying a ginormous backpack with everything I need for a couple nights. So yeah, it should be interesting. I know it's gonna be absolutely incredibly gorgeous. So let's go. Already made a rookie mistake. I had to take my pack off to readjust the torso size. And I set my water bottle down and left it there. So now I'm climbing back down to go grab it. You know, first time, gonna make some mistakes, it happens. Now to climb back up. You live and you learn, you know? I'm only about a mile in and I've taken more breaks than I think I ever have on a hike before. That's okay. We'll get there. There's no rush, and I mean, what better place to hang out in? It's just incredible. So, just taking my sweet time. I don't know if you can tell how steep this is, but holy moly, I'm tired. Only about a mile and a half in. Whew. I sat right here, looked down that hole and saw a ginormous black widow crawling up towards me. things are going well. Mosquitoes. So I'm getting chewed up, and now it's raining. A lot more elevation, so let's keep going. Now it's really raining. So I had to break out my raincoat and the rain cover for my pack. Okay. See those people? Yeah. Going up there. So I changed my plan a little bit, but I'm so glad I did because holy moly, this is incredible. I mean, videos and pictures never do it justice, but this is crazy. There's a bunch of waterfalls. Because it's been raining. I don't know if these are like there all the time. As tired and in pain as I am, I'm just so grateful. Just made it past 12,000 feet and I'm struggling. Having to stop and rest every few minutes. But it sure is beautiful. I think I'm about half a mile and a few hundred feet left of climbing to get to the lake. We're almost there. So close. It's gotta be right over that little ridge, right? I'm convincing myself it is. The amount that I want to be done right now. I'm trying to take the weight off my back. It's on a rock. Oh my gosh. He just scared the crap out of me. Well, if you couldn't tell, I made it. I still can't believe I'm here or that I made it up, honestly. That had to be one of the hardest things I've ever done. Definitely short of breath up here. Not used to this elevation, but feel pretty good, honestly. I think just the excitement is probably overcoming everything else, but I do want to quickly make some food before it gets too dark because I'm hungry. And I need to filter some water and stuff, so. My first mountain house meal. It looks pretty good.
Oh. You're supposed to close it. Pretty good though.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, for how easy it is and light and everything, could definitely be worse. On edge a little bit. The MREs are pretty gross, most of them. And already, I think this is
better than most of the ones I've had. So I'd say that's a win. And lots of protein. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes, I guess, and then eat some dinner and get in bed and do some reading. So I think that's it for tonight. I will see you in the morning. Well, no sunrise this morning, but I got my coffee and it's still incredibly beautiful, so. It's about 9 o'clock. All packed up, got my electrolytes, and now it's time to head to the next lake. I wish it wasn't so cloudy and rainy, but it's still beautiful. Got camp set up and it's raining again. But look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. It finally stopped raining and it is absolutely incredible. Everything's cleared up. You can see blue skies. And I was about to fly my drone, get some cool shots, and I made sure before I left to charge everything. But what I didn't make sure to check was that the app was still downloaded on my phone. I mean, the last time I used my drone was, I don't know, a couple months ago in Arizona. Another rookie mistake, I guess. But there's nothing I can do now, so I'm not going to dwell over it. I still have this amazing view and this entire lake to myself right now, so I'm just going to enjoy it. hail. Who would have thought? Not me. It's been raining pretty much the whole time, but it's so beautiful. How lucky am I to be capable of coming to places like this with my own 2 feet. I mean, I knew I wanted to do this hike, and it was either do it now or hope that I get another chance in the future. I was trying to almost talk myself out of it because I'm like, I need to do something easier for my first trip just to like get the feel of having the pack on me and work out the kinks and learn what I need and don't need. But here I am. I knew that I wanted to do this, and even though I didn't feel ready, I did it. I did it. The worst thing that could have happened, I mean, there's probably a few things that could have happened. But I knew, I was giving myself grace. I knew that if I needed to, all I had to do was turn around and go back down. But I didn't need to. It felt like it many times. I wanted to quit, but I was able to push myself, and I'm just so glad I did. I'm so glad I'm here right now. If nothing else, just take this as your sign to do the things you want to do. Don't wait. Do them scared, do them imperfect. Just do them. Because that's what pushes you out of your comfort zone, and that's what makes that grow, which opens up so many more opportunities for amazing experiences. There's no way around it. You just gotta do it. So grateful. Like, are you kidding me? This is insane. And I have this whole place to myself, and I have for hours. What? It's just me and the marmots and the little chipmunks. It is day 3. Still not a great sunrise. The colors were really pretty a little bit ago, but the clouds covered it pretty fast. So I'm just gonna drink my coffee and eat some breakfast and then pack up and start heading back down and call it a wrap on my first ever backpacking trip. 2 nights, 3 days in the San Juan Mountains of Colorado. And I could not have asked for a better first experience. I'm just feeling so grateful and so happy and proud of myself for doing this. And I will see you in the next adventure. Cheers.
place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.